Hello and welcome to Yes You Can DIY Digital Marketing by TTG. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up notification emails in Gravity Forms. And we're going to look at two different scenarios. So I'm starting here in my dashboard and going to Forms. And there are multiple ways to get into settings. You can hover over the name of the form and then click on Settings, or you can click on the name of the form and click here on Settings. So I'm going to go to Settings and then Notifications from here. Then once you're in settings, you have your navigation on the left here where you can move around to other sections of the settings. This is the default notification, which is called admin notification. You can click on the name or click the word edit. Either way, it will take you into the same screen. You can rename it if you'd like to. I'm going to leave this one as admin notification. Next, we're going to decide where we're going to send it to. So I'm going to leave enter email here. Notice that it has admin email with squiggly lines. Whenever you see those squiggly lines, that means that it's pulling from the system and populating depending on what the command is. So for this one, it would be the admin email, and WordPress knows what the admin email is. So if you're the admin on your site, then you can leave this here and it will go to you. However, if you need to go to somebody else, you can manually type in an email. For the from name, we do a no reply, but you can put anything that you want here. For the from email, you can leave as the admin email. In the reply to field, again, we're going to click here so that we can have it populate automatically. We're going to choose email because that's the field that the person completing this form would have put their email in. So now if you reply to the notification, it goes to that person. You can also BCC people. For example, if you have team members who you'd like to also receive some notifications, you can change the subject line to anything you like. However, we do recommend always leaving this form title so that it automatically populates and you always know which form this notification came from, especially if you have multiple forms. And then for the purposes of an admin notification, I'm going to leave this here where it says all fields and not add any other text. And I'm going to click on update notification. Okay, so this one is all set. It says settings updated. So now I'm going to receive an email anytime somebody completes this form. Now we're going to go back to notifications, and we're going to add a different type of notification this time. So if somebody went to my website and they completed the contact form, they did not opt in to receive my marketing emails. However, I would like them to sign up for our newsletter. So this is going to serve two purposes. They're going to get an autoresponder sent from Gravity Forms to their email to confirm that their form submission was successful. But in that email, we will also suggest that they sign up for our newsletter. So I'm going to click here and add new, give it a name, then complete these fields as appropriate. And notice this time under reply to, I'm not choosing from here because this is going to go to the person who completed the form. So it wouldn't be their own email, which is what we did on the admin notification. Again, you can BCC people if you needed to. The subject, like I said, it's to confirm, but also to get them to sign up for our newsletter. So this is our subject line letting them know first that it was received and then saying, hey, let's stay connected. And then here in this section, I'm putting the text that I would like this person to see in the email that's going to be sent to them automatically upon form submission. So I do want to address them. Again, the squiggly lines indicate that the system is automatically populating something, so it knows the person's first name. Just going to add a comma here, and then I'm giving them the first message here, and then this second message is where I'm saying, hey, sign up for our newsletter. And I also provide a link for them to sign up for the newsletter. Then click on update notification. Now, when you go back to notifications, you have two. So the admin notification goes to you to let you know that somebody completed the form, and the autoresponder goes to the person who completed the form, confirming that the form was submitted successfully and inviting them to sign up for the newsletter. Now I'm going to go over to the page and I'm going to complete the form and then show you what the two notification emails look like. Okay, so both of my emails came in, but they went to my junk folder. And this is a good note to make for yourself. If you don't see it in your inbox, be sure to check your junk. Sometimes because it's the first time that they're being sent, your email provider may not recognize it and send it straight to junk, in which case go to junk and make sure that you mark it as not junk. This is a notification to me as the person who owns the website. We've got new submission from, and remember I said at the squiggly lines, it would know that the form is called Contact Us. So it's telling me it's from Contact Us. And here are my fields. And this is all the information I need as the website owner. Now, me as the pretend person who completed the form as if I was a visitor to the site, this is the email that I received. Here's the subject line. And this is what we were just looking at, where we're saying, thank you for reaching out to us, sign up for our newsletter. And then you can click, they can click on the link. This one's not a real link, but they can click on the link and they can go sign up for your newsletter when you provide the link to them. And you'll notice that this comes through in plain text. There are ways to style it, but that's a little more advanced. So we're going to leave it here with the plain text version. Well, I hope you got a lot out of this tutorial and that you'll come back to our channel for more. If you'd like to see more content in the future, be sure to subscribe to our channel, click that bell so that you can receive notifications. And if you have any questions or comment, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.